After decades of various issues, my super sensitive skin on my chest is aging faster than the rest of my body. So I got these chest smoothing pads from BLUMBODY to hopefully counter some of those issues. It comes with soap and this small silicone test patch. I've already used it. I used it overnight. I definitely recommend testing before you use these, and great instructions on how to use them. Basically, you put these on, you can wear them during the day or at night. I wear them at night as they help me as a side sleeper as well. And you want to get it right under your clavicle bone and just stick it right on. And thanks to these being reusable with the soap, you just rinse them off and let them air dry, and you can use them again and again. Now here you can see it on. It's not getting everything I want. I would love if it had a bit of wings going up each side, but it definitely makes a difference. And here I am taking it off the next morning, and some of the redness is gone, and most importantly, I feel like I'm doing something that might make a real difference. The BLUMBODY Chest Wrinkle Pads.